Jump into STEM is a university student competition for both undergrad and graduate students to compete for challenges in the building sciences.
Jump into STEM is a great opportunity to network, both with peers as well as professionals that are working in the building science industry.
To listen to the speakers, the leaders from the Department of Energy and the labs, it has given me a very clear idea, okay, where is going the research and what are the goals and priorities in the energy in buildings.
What I see from it as a connection point between students, professors, lab staff, DOE, and the industry.
Jump into STEM always fascinates me because there is always new things to learn and also to be able to meet with colleagues, to network, seeing the wonderful work that is being done at NREL, a kind of reaffirmation that we are in the right direction.
We are embracing the students and the professors from these HBCUs and minority-serving institutions. These professors are experts. They know what they're doing and they are experts in teaching. And we can learn about the communities that their students represent. When they learn about what's going on here at NREL and the other national labs, they can take these opportunities back to their classrooms and communicate it to their students.
We're looking to build the next generation of scientists and engineers that will help innovate with creativity, diverse backgrounds to help the challenges that we have in our environment.
The level of confidence and the project itself, the technical part, it was impressive. So I can envision what kind of these students can reach in the future as leaders.